कुवैत अग्निकांड में मारे गए 45 भारतीयों के पार्थिव शरीर भारत लाए गए हैं। शवों को विशेष विमान से कोच्चि एयरपोर्ट लाया गया, जहां पहले से एम्बुलेंस तैनात थी। पार्थिव शरीर के कोच्चि हवाई अड्डे पर पहुंचने पर एर्नाकुलम रेंज के डीआईजी पुट्टा विमलादित्य ने कहा कि हमने शवों को प्राप्त करने के लिए सभी आवश्यक व्यवस्थाएं पहले ही कर ली थी। डीआईजी ने कहा कि हमने पीड़ित के परिवारों के सदस्यों के साथ समन्वय किया है। शव प्राप्त होने के बाद उन्हें उचित तरीकों से संबंधित स्थानों पर ले जाया जाएगा। बता दें कि 23 शव केरल के हैं, 7 तमिलनाडु के और 1 कर्नाटक का है। प्रत्येक शव के लिए एक समर्पित वाहन भी उपलब्ध कराया गया है। वहीं केंद्रीय मंत्री सुरेश गोपी भी कोच्चि एयरपोर्ट पहुंचे हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि यह त्रासदी इतनी बड़ी है कि यह प्रवासी समुदाय पर आघात है। उन्होंने कहा कि इन्हीं लोगों ने केरल की आर्थिक स्थिति को बेहतर बनाने में मदद की। व्यक्तिगत क्षति हर घर की है जो इस त्रासदी से प्रभावित हुआ है। सुरेश गोपी ने कहा कि भारत उचित कार्रवाई और निर्णय लेगी और बहुत उचित राहत प्रदान करेगी। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, नेशन वन।
The tragedy is so voluminous and it's impactful. It's a real thud on because we consider the Pravasi community which help the economic situation, especially in Kerala. If you check the history since 70, Kerala has voluminously grown on the money which was transacted through Pravasi efforts, sweating. So the state and the country has high regards, very high regards for the Pravasi community, and such a tragedy is so painful. The individual losses of every home that is implicated by this sorrowful incident. Definitely investigation is going on. There will be fruitful results to the creation of maybe a fair report, and on the basis of that report, the country which holds the prerogative will definitely take steps forward, and definitely as the mother country, India also will play its role very well, because we have initiated the graciousness of the government. We have initiated it right from the moment this news was on. So the government of India will definitely take appropriate actions, decisions, and make very appropriate deliverances. That is a different thing. It relates to the diplomatic conditions, laws, stipulations, all that. Don't make it a controversy. It's not at all a controversy. People who are really at the helm of affairs when it comes to diplomatic transactions or connects, they are into it. Don't be worried. They are also capable. No, there are no demands. The demand is their life. The promise in their life, which has turned into ashes. So the resurgence of those dreamers in every family has to be included into our hearts. So anything possible should be done by the government of India, and also people who are excessively blessed by God. So I think a flock of Malayalis, Indians will get into the fray of helping the resurgence of such families. That will happen. That is being taken care of. Our MOS is working on it. He is there, still there. So we'll have our contingent working, looking after the people who are in several levels of conditions, health conditions. They will be brought back to India, and their rehabilitation also will be taken care of. That's it's no graciousness. It is a duty of the government of India and the state government also. They will all give a fair treatment, I'm sure.